Hello, Professor. Hope all is well. This is my second to last screencast until I'm all caught up on the screencast, and then I should be able to start working on some of those web project reports and whatnot. Unfortunately, last week I put too much pressure on the graphics card in my PC, and I was running video games at too high quality, and my PC broke. I wasn't able to fix it myself, so I'm still waiting to take it back to the shop when I have time. And now I'm on a MacBook, so I'm going to be doing this test from here. I already read this blog over here, so we're going to start by going into the Finder. We'll go into the Applications, and we'll look for Network Utility. Let's go ahead and search that up. Right here. Here's my IP. We got this in the last screen recording. Right now, it's going to start on this page. We're going to go over to the ping. Here's my IP that I got on whatsmyip.com, and then we're going to go ahead and click ping. Right here, we're going to get our ping. On the time it takes. It runs 10 64-byte tests from this IP over here, and then we get our time. It looks like our ping got higher as the tests went on, ending at around 12 ms. That's all for today.